For the record, there is absolutely no kickback for me in any way, form, or fashion. This is not an affiliate marketing scheme. There is no profit involved for me in any way, form, or fashion. Okay guys, I am here with the one and only Rockman, and I have to tell you, before I ask him any questions at all, this is the safest man I have ever seen on the water. I have absolutely never seen anybody so safe when they take you out on the ocean anywhere. He goes above and beyond anything I've ever seen before. It really is amazing. You have to experience a ride with him once to understand just how incredible it actually is. Furthermore, I want to tell you that his professionalism in terms of getting his umbrellas off, setting them up for you, getting the coolers off, bringing you drinks, making sure you have food, all of that stuff is second to none. So Rockman and I have talked, and we've decided, for my subscribers and people that watch my channel, Rockman has agreed to give you 15% off of your ride.
Yes.
Agreed, Rockman?
Yes.
So you come to him, and please understand, this is how business is done in Thailand, okay? You can call him. I'll leave his number in the description below. But most of the business is done when you get here same day or the day before, okay? They really don't do like appointments. So you have to come like the day before and set up an appointment, that kind of thing, or call the day before and set up an appointment, because a lot of people don't show up for the appointment that they set. But Rockman has been kind enough to agree to a 15% discount for any of my subscribers. You can either mention my name and tell him you saw me on YouTube, or you can just simply say DoMoreLife, and he will know exactly what you're talking about.
Yes, okay.
All sound good, Rockman?
Good, good.
Anything you want to say?
Yeah, the discount good, cheap for you, for everybody. I promise you fun, joy, and safety.
Always about safety.
Yeah, I'm for professional.
Very professional guy.
Yeah.
Thank you, everyone that's watching right now, and I really hope you take advantage of this guy's tours. He's definitely worth it. Thanks, guys. See ya.